Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini people, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So this is your current energy, Gemini, and this is your partner's current energy. The Devil. Okay. So Gemini people, you are stuck somewhere in your life. Okay, perhaps you are being very obsessed about something. Obsession is not related to sex or some kind of a sexual energies or something like that. Perhaps you are obsessed about your own life. Okay, perhaps you are stuck somewhere in life. You feel that you can't move. Perhaps you have that much of responsibilities on your shoulder that you feel that, oh God, I'll be here for the rest of my life. I won't be able to do something on my own. Some powers are there which are stopping you to take a step ahead in your life. Okay, that's why you are feeling stuck. On the other hand, we have the Hierophant. So this is your partner's current energy. Gemini, your person must be taking some kind of a counseling session with some people. Okay, they must be talking about you. They must be talking about you with their friends, with their family, with their colleagues, with anyone. Okay, perhaps they must be taking some guidance how to proceed further with you in this relationship. Okay, so some sort of meeting is happening for them, some sort of discussion, some kind of advice they must be taking towards you. Okay, or for you. All right, now let's see, Gemini, how you think about your person, how your person thinks about you, what actions you can take towards them and what actions they can take towards you. What do you think about them? What they think about you? What actions you can take towards them? What actions they can take towards you? Stress. You see them as somebody who's taking unnecessary stress because you feel that this person has chosen this path on their own. Nobody is forcing them to do anything. Okay, it is hypothetical stress which they have occurred in their life. Okay, so as per you, they are just taking unnecessary stress in their life. Okay, on the other hand, your person thinks about you is trust. So your person thinks about you as somebody who has deep faith in divine, deep faith in God. Okay, you are someone who takes action and you just take decisions that I have to do something and then you just jump. Okay, you believe in your God, you believe in your works, you believe in your ancestors' blessings. Okay, so that's why this feeling of yours gave you a lot of courage to take certain steps. Okay, now let's see what actions you can take towards them. Participation. At this point of time, Gemini, I feel that you are looking for your partner's participations towards you. Okay, because a relationship is not a single person's task. You have to, or you should get the mutual support from your partner as well. Okay, so right now you are looking for a partnership, you are looking for a participation from your partner's end. Okay, or perhaps you are investing your time, money, effort, energies into your partner. Okay, that means you are participating in this relationship with your person. Okay, the actions they can take towards you, inner voice. Okay, with this card I feel that Gemini, they have been through some kind of awakening in their life. Okay, some kind of enlightenment is happening for them or has done for them. They are thinking a lot about you. They are listening their inner voice, what their inner voice talk about you, what their inner voice suggests what they should do towards you. Okay, so right now this person is thinking about you throughout the day and night, and perhaps they are taking or thinking to take big steps towards you. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential of this reading. Okay, King of Swords. Okay, as we see in this card, King of Swords, it seems like your person is waiting for you. Okay, they have made up their mind for something, they have listened to their inner voice, now they want you to take some steps towards them. Okay, this is the reason this person is sitting here. Okay, this person is looking, or this person wants you to take some actions towards them, even though you are stuck in your own energies, in even though you are, you want their participation, but they also want your participation, they also want your emotions, they also want your time, energy and efforts. Okay, all right. So Gemini, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Taurus. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Alright, so that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.